Hey, good morning. So we're out here today in central London. We're on Wellington Street at the moment, just round the corner from Covent Garden, and we've come out to the Warner Brothers On Location, London, the Harry Potter Photo Exhibition. Now it's going to be a walkthrough attraction that's going to show us all kinds of behind the scenes pictures, videos, information from the sets of the Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts film series, the Wizarding World as a whole. Now this is a temporary exhibition. It opened a few days ago on July 15th, I believe, and it's £20 per adult to come. You do have to book your timed ticket to get here at the moment, and whilst this is being filmed, it's going to be released after restrictions are changed, but you do have to wear a face covering inside at the moment in UK attractions in line with government guidance. That is going to change very soon, and we don't know what Warner Brothers is going to do about the exhibition. A lot of companies are still saying they're encouraging people to wear face masks. But we're going to go inside and see what we can see from the Wizarding World, see all those behind the scenes footage. And I hear there's some Butterbeer to be had at some point in there as well. So if you enjoy the video, give us a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. It does help me out a lot. And if you could hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos, that'd be great. Let's go inside. Alright, so first up we've got our Ford Anglia and the acceptance letter to Hogwarts. So far so good. It's looking pretty quiet in here at the moment. Where it began. Oh, this is a cool part. All the different languages that the book's been published in. Oh, the cupboard under the stairs. All those memories that he has will live forever. What's worse, that or Voldemort? Shouldn't say his name. We've only been in here a few minutes, and this is probably my favourite part. Dear Mr. Potter, we're pleased to inform you that you've been accepted at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. It's not signed by Dumbledore, it's signed by McGonagall. I didn't know that. Thought that would be signed by Dumbledore. Obviously you've got the Hogwarts house crest as well. So here we've got some of the behind the scenes photos, and these are all from Diagon Alley, so a lot of these pictures are all in the Leaky Cauldron. They're actually all from Prisoner of Azkaban as well. So that's where the series started to get a little bit darker, a little bit more, if you could use the term realistic for a Wizarding World film. I don't know if that really works. The original preliminary drawing. So we've got all of the signs. So you've got the Leaky Cauldron. Over there you've got Ollivander's, Flourish and Blots. And then the overhead map of Diagon Alley itself. So now we're heading into Gringotts, an Australia house. Now this is a building in London, Australian-owned building in London, and that's where they filmed the interior parts for Gringotts. So here we've got some interior shots inside Australia House. See all the minted Gringotts coins, Wizarding World coins. We're just saying how cute this shot is of Warwick and Helena. They would never be, well, I suppose they were BFFs in this, because he was protecting her gold, so... It's got some more photos and videos. Just showing a scene here about how they shut down Shrewsbury Avenue when they apparated. I believe this was in the Order of the Phoenix. Crazy operation. Night bus, which is made of 2 double-decker London buses stacked on top of each other.
Can you tell me where I might find that for 9 3/4? Think you're being funny, don't you?
The most famous train conductor in the world. I love that shot. Such a beautiful shot. See, it's not even busy in here. It's not even busy. We came on the 10 o'clock one, so bear that in mind. Hogwarts and the Great Hall. So, we're looking at models from the film series at the moment. So you've got Philosopher's Stone, Chamber of Secrets, and these are from those. Now obviously you can see a full castle at the very end of the Wizarding World of Harry Potter Warner Brothers tour. I'll put a link up in the top corner for you to see that now. We went there on the Valentine's Day meal. Look at the little babies. Look at the babies. Oh, what have we got here? Right, I've been beaten to it. Right. Oh, okay, we're just seeing clips of the film.
This was in fact her blade.
I'm short, but this is too short for me. It's going to hurt. Ah, me-sized. It's a bit more. A lot of this is all still Hogwarts and the Great Hall, so we're in the Defence Against Dark Arts room, potions class at the moment. Forbidden Forest.
It's all for the background. All that background of
Oh, that's interesting. Order Hermione's. And then this is her costume. Okay, so we're getting a bit more proppy right now. And we're seeing the borough as well. The borough. So this is Shell Cottage. It's where Dobby lies. Where Dobby's been buried. This is the borough. So seeing here, they got the construction of it to scale. So you got a little bit more of the exterior of Hogwarts. We got He Who Must Not Be Named's costume. And then we got some shots on set. This is an interesting behind the scenes shot. Ministry of Magic. So just had our photos taken. Let's see, we got 15 for 1, 20, motion photo, ID license, and 2 £20 products for £30. Not too bad. Oh, Fantastic Beasts as well. So we're doing a full Wizarding World exhibition here then. Really cool, really cool. Is that the French Ministry? Oh, we can go and get our picture taken. Like this.
Not another bit of the story. You have to make it as a fresh story.
19 years later. So these are some of the costumes from Fantastic Beasts. Obviously we just went through the French ministry. I'll show you guys one more time. So this is the French ministry. And this is the American ministry. They're both from Fantastic Beasts. So this is a replica time turner. And this is from Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. I'm not going to delve too much into it. I'm not even going to show you the description, but it plays a pretty integral part of the show itself. We're going to go and get some Butterbeer. Look at those, they're really cool. Really cool seats. This is amazing. So we have got some food, both cold, and I'm assuming you can have the sandwiches hot. Might be wrong. Got some drinks, some soft drinks. Boolean brownie, purple frog cupcake, chocolate coin cupcake, marshmallow cookie sandwich, and what do we have? Hello! Butterbeer bottle and souvenir stein for $6.99, that's not too bad. $6.95, sorry. There's glass in front of it, so it's difficult to see. Okay, so she was just explaining that it is the beer, Butterbeer and the stein for $6.95, that's all it is. Pour it yourself, resealable bottle, all things like that. $6.95. Look at that, so we've got our bouillon bar, our purple frog, and our 2 Butterbeers. And our total cost was $21.45, including VAT over here. Cool resealable bottles. But this isn't like the Wizarding World at Universal Studios. And I'll put a link up in the top corner so you can go and see what that looks like. There's 2 separate places. You've got Diagon Alley and you've got Hogsmeade. But let's watch Becky pour it from up high. Oh, foamy. Now it looks like Butterbeer, but it doesn't have that creamy foam on the top, unfortunately. Let's see what it tastes like. Chin chin. It tastes like it's still got the foam on it. That's nice. That's quite nice. I like that. So I'm taking the chocolate coin off, and now let's give it a taste. Oh my goodness. Like a thick, gooey chocolate brownie. Oh, it's very sweet. Very sickly. Alright, so next up, we've got the chocolate frog, the purple frog cupcake it's called. Let's give very sweet. So just give you a very quick overview of the cafe itself. We've got the bar just there behind us, where you can get all of the drinks and everything. As we come around here, when you get your tankard, you've actually got the ability to wash it here as well. So you just put it upside down on that and push down, and then you can dry it off. Very cool space. So for the final area, we've got the shop. We've got a lot of Butterbeer infused merchandise here, so you can buy all the bottles on their own. You can buy 1 bottle on its own for $4.95 or 4 for $12.95. You've got all of the treats. So you've got fudge flies, chocolate frogs, chocolate wands, all sorts like that. 30 bots every flavour beans. We've got film collections and all the individual books. You can buy the complete box set. So going through, we've got all the house jumpers and all of the Hogwarts uniform. Got a lot of makeup and makeup products. Oh, these are cute. So you can buy all of the individual replica ones.
Yeah, that's not the only thing there.
So all of the houses just here.
Anything else?
Dragon, you got Hogwarts Castle, Forks. You can also buy the trunks as well. The small trunk is £45 and the large trunk is £69. Got even more jumpers. Not really the weather for that at the moment. But we've also got a whole bunch of props around the top as well. The room itself is designed really, really cool. And then we've got some of the little teddies and things like that. And then that's it for the making of Harry Potter. How does it come out then? And then we come out into Covent Garden itself. Right outside the London Transport Museum. Alright, so that's it for our trip to the Warner Brothers on location making of Harry Potter photo exhibition. We had a really good time actually. It was a lot better than I anticipated. £20 per person, you get all those behind the scenes photos, you get all that information. The best part is obviously the Butterbeer bar at the end, the cafe where you can get all your treats, your bottled Butterbeer and your steins. Definitely worth a trip out. Now this opened a couple of days ago and like I said, it's £20 per person. So come along, definitely worth checking it out. If you've enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, it does help me out a lot. And I'd love for you guys to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. See you on the other side. Thanks.